Yes, yes. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stiff what? Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh, ooh. No what?
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake bitch.
What?
Shake.
All that.
Stiff wear. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Marcie, and today we're going to be doing a review on this kinky straight hair from ISEE Beauty Hair Company. Yes, you guys, we're working with ISEE Beauty Hair Company again. Not sponsored, but you know, sis, if you see this video, sponsor me. This is my third time doing a review on one of your hairstyles. Thank you. Sponsor your good sis. Anyway. So if you're interested in the, specs of this hair, stay tuned and let's get into this gig, sis. Okay guys, so first and foremost, unlike the usual ISEE Beauty hair bundles I usually get, I ordered this hair from their website instead of the Amazon vendor, I guess, because they didn't have this texture hair in on the Amazon vendor, so I ordered from their website where they usually have all the textures of hair you can ask for, get them for your jush. Excuse me. So yeah, I ordered 3 bundles of 18 inches and an 18. No, we're not going to do whatever now. Anyways, I ordered 3 bundles of the 18-inch of the kinky straight texture, and I got an 18-inch closure because I wanted it all to be equal and full. And if I wanted to cut layers into it, I could. The hair came way poofier than this. It came in this packaging, as you can see. It says Mongolian hair, kinky straight 18-inch, and it just shows the date when I ordered it, and their packaging or whatever. Let me get this bad boy off of there so y'all can see, because I did flat iron this hair a couple times. It got pretty straight with just one pass through. I'm not really big on straight hair because I'm more of a I like me some curly curls. I don't really like the straight hair, but this is looking kind of. This is looking kind of cute. This is how the bundles look. It has a natural black brown color. How hair be looking. I love the actual texture of the hair, like the kinks you can see, because it does look like blown out natural hair. And as you can tell, I didn't use one of the 3 bundles because it was full enough. Like if I would have put this bundle in there, the hair would have been like poof. And this hair is already full as it is, even after flat ironing. So this is cute. I like this. I look like one of those girls who just be trying to be incognito, but they just came from a dick appointment. When you just trying to look a little bit casual, but you know what you coming in there for. Anyways, yeah, so it's nice and full. I'm actually surprised I'm not getting any shedding, really working out. I got this hair around, I think, a day before Halloween, and I finished it. And so I'm going to insert some clips of me wearing the hair and how I styled it before.
It really looked like a Brazilian, straight Brazilian body wave, because if you flat iron this, I mean, if I get really close, it does look like a flat iron, afro hair, how when we flat iron our hair, a blowout.
A blowout. A press or whatever it's called. Yeah, it does look like that when you get close, but when you're in the mirror flat ironing, it does get really bone straight, and it gives you that nice soft nice texture. Like, you know, it's not giving you horsey. It's giving you like, what is some quality? This is some quality hair. Okay. So, get into the specs of this hair. Like I said, I got 3 bundles of 18 inches and I got an 18-inch closure. Let me take off this hat, y'all. I did bleach the knots. This is one of like my first time bleaching my knots on one of the wigs that I've made. This is the lace here. It blends in pretty well. It didn't take me a long time just to bleach the knots. It actually took pretty well with me bleaching it. I kept it under there for about 5 minutes. And, you know, it's cute. I prefer it in a side part. Let me
Just move it around a little bit. You know.
See that it's blending and you can't even tell. I prefer it in a side part and like, you know, you tuck this behind your ear. One of those looks. And she's very flowy. She's not stiff at all like stiff wear says.
Yes. Ooh. Stiff what?
For real, stiff what?
Ooh. Nowhere.
Stiff what?
Well.
No.
Yes, bitch.
No stiff, bitch.
No, none of that.
Shake, bitch.
What?
Shake.
All that.
Stiff wear. I'm not going to do like a updated review on this hair unless I purchase it again because I am selling this hair to a client. Yeah, that's pretty much like this hair is bomb. Like it's cute. It looks very natural. I haven't colored it, but if you guys want to see somebody color it, I'll leave my girl Sade Watkins down in the description because she did cut this into a bob and color it ombre. I was thinking about doing that, but I didn't want to go a little far on y'all because like that's not a look for me. Like, look how seamless and look how flat this is. Like I don't even know who I am in this hair. Do y'all? Who is she? Who is he? Who are we? Who?
I got hair and clean underwear. Look at my hang time. Look at my hang time. And I can put it in a bun.
Pretty sure, like, if people didn't know what my hair was, first of all, my hair is colored. So, like, people didn't know that my hair was colored and you just met me and I just flat ironed this. And I did pluck the hairline a little. And I plucked the hairline some more. People probably think this is my hair. Like, because you know how when, you know, some people be having, like, that long, luscious hair. And it looks very natural. So, let me just do a side-by-side of the flat iron and the poof. So, as you can see, this hair does get, like, really straight. And only a couple passes. And also, like, the hair has, like, this nice natural shine. It doesn't look like, you know, Kaneka long hair. It's not rough. What I do not like about the hair, okay, here are the cons of the hair. For me to only have it for a couple days. I like this stuff a little bit more, y'all. I don't like the fact that all hair sheds, you guys, but this hair, it did shed a little bit more to my liking. Like after I flat ironed and combed through it, it did like shed quite a bit. Not like to a point where I was picking like globs and bundles of hair out of my hair. It was just like even if I run through it now, you guys can see that. You can't really see it, but you get like a few strands, and I'm not even being rough with it. But then again, it is supposed to mimic African American hair, and even when you get it bone straight, you're still gonna have a little bit of like, just like some problems with it. And also, the hair does look very healthy, and the ends are full. But I just feel like after I flat ironed it, the ends got a little bit like, crunchy much. Like they didn't dry out, but they got a little bit like, frizzy for me. And so like, I probably will like cut just the ends, like trim them a little bit. But other than that, the hair is just gorgeous hair. For longevity, I would give the hair about 6 to 8 months. I'm not going to give it like a full year because like I said, the hair does shed a little and the ends are a little bit tattered. But that just might be, like me being like petty. No. The hair does have a nice shine and they are very full. It was very much so true to length. The hair did not come with the smell at all. Like, it didn't smell like a factory or anything. It just regular. It didn't smell like nothing crazy. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just really into the way that I plucked this this closure like it was a frontal and plucked the parting like I'm living. I feel like I'm Kim Kardashian. I'm like...
How I feel. Why would you say that? Like, you put me in such an uncomfortable situation. Like, you know I'm not happy. You know I tried.
The hair with the maintenance, I feel like the hair is going to be, like, medium to, like, you know... very much so, like, a little bit, you're going to have to take care of this hair. And which is crazy since it's straight, I feel like you're going to have to take more care of it than you do the curly hair because, like, the fact that it already sheds and the fact that you're probably going to have to keep it from being poofy if you want to keep it sleek. As well as I did the true to length. This hair is very true to length. Color, we haven't colored this hair, so we can just skip on that. And longevity, we did that. So, would I purchase this hair again? Yes, I will purchase this. Excuse me. Will I purchase this hair again? Yes. I feel like when I'm in the mood for another curly hair and I want it to be like natural, I will probably like purchase it again and like, you know, cut some layers into it and then, you know, give it some highlights so it can match my hair. But yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it on this video. This hair got me feeling like... Let me show you guys the hair from the back. So... and I'm 5'5½", so this is 18 inches, so it probably comes down, if you put it to the front, it probably comes down to like right above my knee. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, also to mention you guys that the hair so far it doesn't like really matte because the hair isn't old, but I'm pretty sure the hair won't matte since it's straight hair. But I'm pretty sure if you're gonna get this hair in like a, if you're gonna get this hair like in a sew-in or something like that, you probably just want to make sure you braid it up or like twist it up at night so you can just be sure that the hair won't be looking raggedy because we're not trying to look raggedy, stunty.
Should have been a leaf all win.
Watching, I know it's been a while, and I know you guys have, you know, missed the kid. Stay tuned. Just, y'all know I love y'all. Just stay tuned for some more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You be a fool to not take me as I am.